Do this, don't do that. Eat this, don't eat that. Strict rules and even stricter diets. These unreasonable one-size-fits-all fitness stereotypes are solely responsible for making it seem almost impossible for most people to achieve the bodies they desire. To solve this problem, YouFit was born. My name is Adrian, founder of the YouFit fitness program. An exciting, super effective result-driven fitness program tailored to your specific goals and body type. Nothing generic, but 100% effective. YouFit programs contain only exercises geared at producing sustainable results. At YouFit, we have proven over and over again that achieving peak physical conditions is not solely dependent on the stereotypical intense and restrictive training regimes, which are most times even perceived as painful or abusive. YouFit programs promote functionality, strength, endurance, and mental alertness by combining exercises and instructions that take into consideration your body type, its gifts, its limitations, what it needs, and what it should avoid. Respect your body and get real results. Join us today. Head over to www.youfit.com and select a training program that aligns with your body and goals to be a healthier, stronger, and happier version of yourself.